Quotes, words of affirmation, powerful messages, they mean so much to me. They actually give me a lot of strength. And I've been finding I've had to use them a lot more lately. And I also recognize that when I am creative, it helps me get through things. So today we are going to be making an apron, a DIY apron that I've made before. In fact, I have a video of one that I make that's super easy using a men's button-down shirt. So today we're going to be making another one of these, but with a strong message that I hope can resonate with you as well. So let's get started creating, releasing emotions, and getting ready to start something new.
And welcome back to ReMended and Revival. My name is Coral, and I am a new sewer, a new upcycler. I am so happy that you found this video because it means you are looking for something creative to do, something to maybe express your feelings and how everything is going right about now, as I am struggling to do that. Behind me, you can see 3 aprons. These are 3 aprons that I made. I actually have a video that I can link above where I made this apron out of a men's button-down shirt. It's a simple DIY. Have fun. Go watch it if you'd like. If you'd like to see how to make this, super easy. Just to make a crossbody DIY apron. In today's video, I'm going to make another one of these aprons with a new message. And I think I'm going to just keep doing it with different messages. Why? Because I feel like I have a voice, and if all of us use our voices in whichever way we can truly make a difference. And I am going to strongly believe that to keep moving forward day by day. Thank you for being here. If you are new here and you are resonating with this, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It's going to help my channel grow and help YouTube encourage this video and my other videos to people just like you and me. I've already started this project, so I'm just going to keep going with it. And I think I'm going to kind of fast forward this, because like I said, if you really want to know how to make this DIY apron, I will link the video, watch that video, just to very simply show you how to make this. But I want to speed this forward so I can get into the creative part, because I feel like my voice needs to get out there and I feel like a message needs to be shared. And I want to see how many of these shirts I can make. And I'm just going to let you watch the creative process happen. When I had the message "Act Now" on the top, it just looked a little baby dollish, which I wasn't going for. But then I thought, what if I stuck the message on the pockets? That's the next plan. Let's see if this is what we end up with. I think it is. I don't think I could be happier with the way this turned out. It's simple, it has a strong message, and I am here for it. Act now. I would love to hear what you think of these aprons, if you like the style, if you like the messages added to them. What would you do the same? What would you do different? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you real soon.